In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Zomato app on Android. By the end, you'll have the app installed and be ready to explore great food options around you. I'll guide you through each screen and share a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. Start by unlocking your Android phone and opening the Google Play Store. This is the safest place to get Android apps, and it comes pre-installed on most devices. Make sure you have a stable internet connection so the download doesn't pause midway. At the top of the Play Store, tap the search bar and type Zomato. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official app titled Zomato, Food Delivery and Dining. It should have the recognizable Zomato branding and strong download numbers with good ratings. Selecting the official listing ensures you're getting the real, up-to-date app with all the latest features and security fixes. Tap the app to open its details page. Here, you can preview screenshots, read a short description, and check recent reviews if you like. When you're ready, tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading the app to your device. The time this takes depends on your internet speed and available storage. If you're on mobile data and want to save your plan, consider connecting to Wi-Fi before you install. Once the download finishes, Android will automatically install the app. You'll see the Install button change to Open. Go ahead and tap Open to launch Zomato for the first time. On the welcome screens, you can sign in if you already have an account or create a new one if you're just getting started. Follow the prompts on screen. It's quick and straightforward. The app may ask for permissions like location, so it can show restaurants near you and estimate delivery times more accurately. Granting location access helps the app personalize your experience. With Zomato set up, you're ready to explore what it offers. You can order food delivery from a wide range of restaurants and track your order live from the kitchen to your door. If you're planning to dine out, discover nearby spots, browse menus, read reviews, and reserve tables without making a call. When you're checking out, keep an eye out for discounts and promo offers to save on your meal. Filters like cuisine, ratings, and delivery time can help you quickly find exactly what you're craving. That's all you need to download and open the Zomato app on Android. Enjoy exploring and happy dining. End.